You're not lazy, you're just overwhelmed with school, assignments, exams, deadlines. Everything feels important at the same time. And your brain? It doesn't know where to start. So instead of doing something, you end up doing nothing. You open your laptop, stare at your work, tell yourself you'll start in a minute. Then suddenly, you're on your phone scrolling for hours. Not because you don't care, but because everything feels like too much. And when everything feels like too much, your brain shuts down. Here's what actually works. Stop trying to finish everything at once. Stop telling yourself you need to get your life together today. Instead, pick one assignment, not all, just one. Open it and work on it for 10 minutes. That's it. Because starting small tricks your brain into moving. And once you start, it becomes easier to keep going. You don't need motivation. You just need a starting point. And sometimes, that starting point is the smallest step. Starting small is how you beat procrastination.